Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a list of gadgets that are not just cool but incredibly useful. If you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who loves to have the latest and greatest in smart technology, you're in for a treat. We're counting down the top 9 coolest smart gadgets every man will appreciate. From Amazon. So let's get into it. 9. TileMate Bluetooth Tracker. The TileMate Bluetooth Tracker is a compact and highly efficient tool designed to simplify the process of locating lost or misplaced items. With its sleek, square design and a lightweight construction, the TileMate easily attaches to a variety of personal belongings such as keys, wallets, or bags. Utilizing Bluetooth technology, it connects seamlessly to a smartphone or tablet through the Tile app, which is available on both iOS and Android platforms. The tracker has a range of up to 200 feet, allowing users to locate their items within a reasonable distance. If an item goes out of range, the app activates a loud, customizable ringtone on the TileMate, making it easier to find even in noisy environments. One of the standout features of the TileMate is its inclusion in the Tile community, a global network of users who can anonymously assist in locating lost items. When a TileMate is marked as lost, the app harnesses the collective power of other Tile users to help pinpoint its location. 8. The Fun Waterproof Lighter. The Fun Waterproof Lighter is a robust and versatile tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and anyone who needs a reliable means of ignition in challenging conditions. Its standout feature is its waterproof design, which ensures that the lighter remains functional even when submerged in water. This makes it an indispensable accessory for camping trips, hiking adventures, or emergency preparedness kits. The lighter is engineered with a durable, rugged casing that can withstand harsh weather conditions, including rain, snow, and extreme temperatures. Equipped with a windproof flame, the Fun Waterproof Lighter performs exceptionally well in gusty conditions, making it ideal for use in windy environments where traditional lighters might fail. The lighter typically features a built-in flint or electric arc ignition system, providing a consistent and reliable spark every time. 7. Carson Micro Mini 20x Pocket Microscope. The Carson Micro Mini 20x Pocket Microscope is an exceptional tool designed for those who require high magnification on the go. This compact and portable microscope offers 20x magnification, allowing users to closely examine a wide range of objects with remarkable detail. Its small, lightweight design makes it incredibly convenient to carry in a pocket or a small bag, making it an ideal companion for students, hobbyists, or nature enthusiasts who want to explore the microscopic world without the bulk of traditional microscopes. Despite its diminutive size, the Micro Mini features a high-quality optical lens that delivers clear and sharp images. It is equipped with LED illumination, which provides adequate lighting to view specimens in various lighting conditions, ensuring that users can see fine details even in low-light environments. The adjustable focus wheel allows for precise control, enabling users to achieve optimal clarity and sharpness. 6. General Magnetic Wristband. The General Magnetic Wristband is a practical and innovative accessory designed to enhance convenience and efficiency for DIY enthusiasts, professionals, and anyone engaged in tasks that require handling small metal items. Constructed with durable, high-quality materials, this wristband features strategically embedded magnets that securely hold screws, nails, nuts, bolts, and other small metal objects, keeping them easily accessible while working. 5. Kootie Desk Fan. The Kootie Desk Fan is a versatile and stylish cooling solution designed to provide comfort and airflow in various settings, from home offices to personal workspaces. With its compact design, this desk fan is perfect for those who need a space-efficient option that doesn't compromise on performance. Despite its small size, the Kootie Desk Fan delivers a powerful breeze thanks to its well-engineered blades and quiet motor, ensuring that users stay cool without being disturbed by excessive noise. One of the standout features of the Kootie Desk Fan is its adjustable airflow settings, which allow users to customize the level of cooling to their preference. The fan typically includes multiple speed settings and oscillation options, enabling it to distribute air evenly across a wide area. Its sleek and modern aesthetic complements various office or home decor styles, making it a functional yet stylish addition to any desk or tabletop. 4. Neewer RGB62 Video Light. The Neewer RGB62 Video Light is a cutting-edge lighting solution designed to elevate the quality of video production and photography. This versatile light panel offers advanced RGB, red, green, blue color mixing capabilities, allowing users to create a wide spectrum of colors to enhance their shots. With its robust range of color temperature adjustments and customizable hues, the RGB62 enables content creators to achieve precise lighting effects from warm tones to cool, vibrant colors tailored to their creative vision. Featuring high-quality LED technology, the newer RGB62 provides consistent and powerful illumination while maintaining color accuracy and minimizing heat output. This ensures that the light remains effective and reliable even during extended shoots. The panel's adjustable brightness and color temperature settings allow for fine-tuning the lighting to achieve the desired mood and atmosphere for various scenes. 3. Vidcassive 4K Mini Spy Camera. The Vidcassive 4K Mini Spy Camera is a cutting-edge surveillance device designed to offer high-definition video recording in a compact and discreet form factor. With its 4K resolution capability, this mini spy camera ensures that users capture crisp, clear, and highly detailed footage, making it an ideal choice for monitoring activities with utmost precision. Its small size allows it to be easily hidden or placed in inconspicuous locations, enhancing its effectiveness as a covert surveillance tool. Equipped with advanced features, the Vidcassive 4K Mini Spy Camera offers real-time recording and live streaming options, allowing users to view footage remotely via a smartphone or tablet. This functionality is particularly useful for keeping an eye on property, monitoring office spaces, or ensuring the security of loved ones from virtually anywhere. The camera typically supports motion detection, automatically recording when movement is detected, which helps in conserving storage space and focusing on significant events. The device often includes night vision capabilities, enabling it to capture clear video even in low-light conditions or complete darkness. Additionally, the camera's user-friendly interface and easy setup process make it accessible for both tech-savvy users and those new to surveillance equipment. 2. HOTA 35-in-1 Rotary Toolkit. The HOTA 35-in-1 Rotary Toolkit is a versatile and comprehensive set designed to cater to a wide range of DIY projects and crafting needs. This Rotary Toolkit features a compact, ergonomic design that ensures comfort and ease of use during extended periods of work. With 35 different accessories included, it provides an extensive array of options for various tasks, from cutting and sanding to polishing and drilling. The rotary tool itself is typically equipped with a powerful motor that delivers consistent performance and variable speed settings, allowing users to adjust the tool's speed according to the requirements of their specific project. This flexibility is ideal for precision work as it provides better control and adaptability. The kit usually includes a variety of attachments such as grinding stones, sanding bands, cutting discs, and polishing pads, making it suitable for tasks like metalworking, woodworking, jewelry making, and general repair work. 1. Modular Work-from-Home Kit. The Modular Work-from-Home Kit is an innovative and flexible solution designed to create an efficient and personalized home office environment. This kit typically includes a range of modular components that can be customized to fit various work styles and space constraints, ensuring that users can set up a productive and comfortable workspace tailored to their needs. The Modular Work-from-Home Kit often features a combination of adjustable desks, ergonomic chairs, and versatile storage solutions. The desk usually includes options for height adjustment, allowing users to switch between sitting and standing positions, which promotes better posture and reduces the risk of discomfort during long work sessions. And there you have it. Our top 9 coolest smart gadgets every man will appreciate. From Amazon, whether you're into tech, fitness, or home automation, these gadgets are sure to impress. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for more awesome tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.